Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing my very first BOXYCHARM unboxing video. This is my first time ever getting a BOXYCHARM and I'm really excited. So, I've heard of BOXYCHARM before. I've heard of it for a while now, but I just never decided to order it. Then for this month, I just saw all the amazing products that were in here and I decided to go ahead and order it. If you've never heard of BOXYCHARM before, they are a monthly subscription box that costs you $21 a month and you get 5 to 6 full-size products in each month's box, which I think is amazing. Honestly, it's like something to look forward to every month, and the box is always over $100 value, which this box, I did the math and it's $124 and you only pay $21. What? I am going to try out each product that is in my BOXYCHARM for this month. So if you are interested in watching me try the products out, then please keep on watching. So I went ahead and did my brows and primed my eyelids off camera. Now we're going to go into eyeshadow. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe Volume 1 eyeshadow palette. And this palette retails for $28. And the shades in here are just so beautiful and perfect for the summertime. The first shade I'm going to pick up is Coco Taxi, which is in between a yellow and orange shade. And I'm going to use that as a transition shade for my crease. I am using my Wet n Wild blending brush to apply this shade. Next, I'm picking up the shade Tropico, which is a burnt orange shade. And I'm applying that right in my crease with my Morphe M441 brush. Next, I'm picking up the shade Guantanamera. It's a dark burgundy brown shade, and I'm applying that with a Sonia Kashuk brush right in my crease. And to blend it all out, I'm going back with my Wet n Wild blending brush. Now I'm picking up the shade Cafecito, and it's just a rich brown shade. And to deepen it up a little bit more, I'm applying that right in the crease area. For this look, I'm doing a half cut crease, so what I'm doing is I'm just grabbing some concealer and I'm applying it with a thin brush and just cutting my crease, but I'm only applying it to the inner part of my eyelid. I'm not applying it where the deeper shades are. This is just going to make your eye look more dramatic. For the rest of the eyelid, I'm applying the shade El Malecon. It's a gorgeous light green shimmery shade. It's so pretty. I've never seen a green shade like this before. This is just so beautiful. This is probably my favorite shade from the whole palette. And I'm applying that right on top where I applied the concealer. Now I'm applying liquid eyeliner. I'm just doing a simple line, and I'm also applying some mascara to my eyelashes. For lashes, I did get a pair in the BOXYCHARM box for this month, but I wanted something a little bit more dramatic, so I'm not going to use these, but they're really, really pretty. Get these Battington lashes in the box, but I want something a little bit more dramatic for my eye look today. So I'm not going to use these, but these are really, really nice and beautiful silk lashes. They're perfect for a more natural kind of look, but since I did something a little bit more dramatic today, I'm going to go in with some more dramatic lashes. For my lower lash line, I'm picking up the shade Celia. It's a really pretty greeny blue shade, and I'm just applying that right on the lower lash line. This is going to give a really pretty pop of color. And I'm also picking up the shade Varadero, which is a darker blue shade, and this is just going to make it a lot more vibrant. Now I'm picking up the Jonteblu eyeliner pencil in charcoal, and I'm just lining my upper lash line. For my lower lash line, I used a nude eyeliner pencil. Now I'm picking up the Luxie brush set that came in this month's box. This retails for $42, and you get a tapered highlighting brush, a duo fiber brush, and you also get a foundation brush. But I am using the foundation brush to contour. And I just really love the way my contour looks in this video, and I definitely think it's because of the brush. So the foundation brush is perfect for contouring. Going back to the palette, I'm picking up the shade La Costa, which is a light pearly pink shade, and I'm applying that right in my inner corner to highlight, and I'm also applying that on my brow bone. Now I'm picking up the Duo Fiber brush and applying my blush with it. I'm using the Milani Baked Soleil Bronzer in 05 as a blush. And now I'm picking up the tapered highlighting brush and I'm applying the shade La Costa again, and I'm using that as a highlighter for my cheeks today. And I'm also applying this as highlighter on my nose, and I really love the way that this looked. It's so pretty. It is a little bit on the lighter side, but I feel like it looks really nice with this makeup look. For lip liner, I'm using my Wet n Wild Color Icon lip liner in Chestnut, and I'm just lining my lips with that. For the rest of my lip color, I'm picking up my Ofra liquid lipstick in Verona. This also came in this month's box, and it retails for $21. This is a little bit of a darker nude shade, so I do want to lighten it up a little bit, so I'm picking up my Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in Peachy. So here is the finished makeup look. I really enjoyed doing this unboxing video. Like I mentioned before, I didn't end up using the lashes because the lashes just were a little bit too natural for this makeup look, and I wanted something a little bit more dramatic, but these lashes are beautiful. They're beautiful for a natural everyday lash. And for the liquid lipstick, I did go in with a lighter lip color just because I wanted something a little bit lighter. This is a darker nude shade, and it does get a little bit darker right after you apply it. It's a gorgeous shade. It's like a perfect everyday nude shade, but it is more on the cool tone side, and I wanted something a little bit more warmer and a little bit lighter for this makeup look. So I did go in with an Anastasia lipstick in the shade Peachy. So a Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream is also included in this month's box, and this guy retails for $10 at Sephora. I've seen it there. I've always wanted to purchase one, and when I saw that this was in the box, I got so excited, and it smells so amazing, you guys. It smells so good. Ugh. The eyeshadow palette by itself is totally worth getting the whole box for. The whole reason why I decided to get BOXYCHARM was for this palette. I've never tried BOXYCHARM, like I've said. I decided to order this month's box just because I saw this palette was included in this month's box. So gorgeous. The shades in here are perfect for the summertime, and they're so creamy and so pigmented, and the shimmer shades are so metallic. This palette is just amazing. This is one of the best palettes I've tried in a while, and I've tried a bunch of eyeshadow palettes lately, and this palette is just gold. It's gold. I love this palette. It's so beautiful. The Jonteblu eyeliner pencil in charcoal isn't the greatest. I have tried better eyeliner pencils, but this is a charcoal shade. It's not jet black. It's more of a gray blackish shade, and I don't think I would ever use this for my lower lash line. I did use it today on my upper lash line just so it can blend my lash line to my eyeliner. Here it is right here, and I barely touch it, and it like wipes off so easily, which I don't like that. This eyeliner pencil will probably be really good to do a smoky eye look, maybe a smoky eyeliner look. It would be really good for that. But for my lash line or for my waterline, I do not like it for that at all. As for the brushes, the Luxie brushes are really great quality brushes. They're amazing. I really enjoyed using these today, and I know I will be using these a lot more in my makeup routine. They retail for $42. $42! And the box is $21. I mean, come on, you guys. This month's box was just so amazing. So if you were to ask me if BOXYCHARM was worth it, I would definitely tell you yes, it's totally worth the $21 you pay a month for over $100 worth of product in each month's box. It's totally worth it, especially for this month's box. I'm just so impressed. I already got my friend into it. I already got my sister into it, and I'm just so excited to see what next month's box is going to have to offer. I will definitely do an unboxing video. If you like these type of videos, let me know so I can continue to do them, because I am going to be continued to be subscribed to BOXYCHARM so I can get their box each month. And I really enjoy these unboxing videos, so let me know if you enjoy them too, and I'll totally do them each month for you. So if you are interested in BOXYCHARM, I'll have a link down below in the description box, so you can click that link and it will take you directly to their website so you can fill out all the info so you can get your next box. Thank you so much for watching. That is it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media. I'll have all that listed down below so you could go follow me on there, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
That's right. You like it? Let's take a see. It's so funny that, I mean, it looks great on camera, but I mean, in person, oh my god.
Really?
Yes. Like, the colors just pop so much nicer in person. Oh my god, it feels so good.